How to fix Snapchat's camera not working in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to Click Command. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Snapchat camera not working in iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that I recommend you guys do is remove your Snapchat from your background. After you remove your Snapchat from your background, simply go to your settings, and after you're on your settings, scroll down till you find General, tap on it, head over to your iPhone storage, and on your iPhone storage, search for Snapchat. Open Snapchat and offload the app. Tap on offload and offload the app and then reinstall it back again. After doing that, what you can then do is simply head back after you reinstall the app, go to your settings again and scroll down until you find apps. Tap on it and search for Snapchat. After you find Snapchat, what you'll then need to do is open it up, and there you will be able to see your shortcuts, your permissions. Now on your permission, make sure that you have turned on camera permission. You can turn it back off and then turn it back on. After doing that, open up your app store, go to your search bar, search for Snapchat, and after you search for Snapchat, if you see an update available, tap on update and update your app. After doing that, your problem should get fixed. And that's how you fix Snapchat camera not working in iPhone. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.